Package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we are going to talk about this cheap ass 10-inch tablet from China. Is it worth the money? So let's check it out and let's unbox it. The first thing I'm noticing, the box feels quite heavy. It comes in a pretty basic box, but it's packed up very well. And here we have the tablet itself, wrapped up in a little bit piece of plastic. We're going to take a close look at the tablet later. Alright, there's more inside. We have in here a basic European micro USB charger, screen protector, basic manual with some explanations of the system itself and the functionalities. And here we have a warranty card. Keep in mind you got a 1-year repair warranty on this piece of equipment or piece of hardware. This is what they were saying on the website of AliExpress. Alright, let's take a close look at the tablet itself. Alright, let's take a close look at the tablet itself. The first thing that I'm noticing, it feels quite heavy, and that's something I really like about it. Not too heavy, but feels like a quality product. It comes with this protection foil on it. And as you can see, it's a really nice quality product. At the back we're finding this aluminum finish. We have different colors, and here you can find the little flashlight with the camera. So what makes this tablet so special? Yes, it's cheap, but the specifications are pretty damn impressive. It comes with an Android 8 version on it. It got an Octa Core, a full HD screen, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gig of storage, and it all got the things we can expect from a very expensive tablet like GPS, Wi-Fi, and this one got the possibility to use your phone card. Here at the back we are finding a very nice finish. I really love it. Maybe you can see it on the camera, you're already seeing a little bit of fingerprints. There are different colors. This is the black one. We got even gold and white. And what you can see here, we got the option to expand the internal storage, and you can even use some telephone cards, 2 of them. So you got a tablet with dual SIM possibilities. Really awesome. And at the back we are finding 2 stereo speakers. So if it's quality, we're going to test it out. But it's really cool that this tablet is supporting stereo sound. And here you can find your micro USB connection for charging and connecting it to your PC. I really enjoy to watch some Netflix or just browse the internet, and then is the question, how is the response of the screen itself? And I find it very responsive. So yeah, if you just want to browse YouTube, checking out some videos, that's of course also possible. Alright, let's check out how the videos are working on the tablet. I'm very curious. Alright, let's play a little bit of Mario Run and let's see how it runs on this tablet. Just a basic game for checking it out. Loading times. Alright, and now we are going to test out the possibilities of making a video and making a little picture. This is the quality you are going to get when making a picture in a not very light room. And now a new picture, and in this picture you can see how it is with some extra light. Here we have a small movie from the tablet. So for the final conclusion about this cheap Chinese tablet, I think we cannot complain. And what you see is what we're going to get for the money. The screen itself is really nice. An EPS screen for watching movies, it's just fine if you ask me. The touchscreen works fine. The speakers are not the best I have here, but yeah, for the money. The camera, same story. So if you just want to have an, let's say a 10-inch EPS cheap ass tablet for playing some games, some basic games, watching movies, browse the internet, check some videos on YouTube, I think it's just great. And for the money, we cannot complain. If you have any questions or you need to test something out for you, leave it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell. And see you next time. Bye bye.